were conditioned to think about caste before character, gender before capability, difference before dignity. And in that India, in 1891 in Maho, a child was born into the system whose worth was already decided. He was denied access to drinking water. He was denied basic education. He was denied human rights. And the child was none other than Baba Saheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He broke the norm. He went to Columbia University. He went to London School of Economics and later on became the first Law Minister of India and the chairman of the drafting committee of Constitution. He fought for laborers. He fought for women. He fought for the basic rights of marginalized communities. He fought until equality was not just a slogan, it became a law. But the question is, what exactly did we do with this equality? Because today, in one corner of India, schools are being closed because a woman from lower caste is serving food. At one corner of India, teas are being served in different cups based on the economic status of people. At one corner of India, there are classrooms where students are sitting differently based on the differences. So, is this the India did he envision? Definitely not. We are still deciding who deserves to touch what, who deserves to serve who deserves to be the same equal level as us. So, to all the young leaders from the corners of India, it's my sincere request. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is not just a matter of mere celebration. He is a mindset. His ideologies is meant to be understood and implemented.